Sales process was really good. He actually spent quite a bit of time. He even brought samples of what we were able to choose from. It was good. Actually, the day before, they brought the dumpster out and the product. And so when they got here the day to actually do the install, they just were ready to go. I want to say they were only here about 6-7 hours. Cleanup was great. Everybody was friendly. Well, we love the color. We love the way it looks. They even did my small shed, and everything looks really good. Definitely better product than what we had, and we have a 50-year warranty. Now I don't have any worries that we're going to have any leaks. I would highly recommend this company to get the roof done.